Hi everybody, it's Julie and I have another journal for you. This is another journal for a Pearl Patreon. This one is one of the month 1 and month 2. You get a like your embellishments are not in here journal, so a naked journal, and you get embellishments. This one is kind of half and half. It is 9x6 and it has a 5-hole pamphlet stitch. We have Loretta here on the front and the theme is roses. And so you get the journal and she's going to get a stack of embellishments that she can add. I'm going to also give her a set of my favorite stickers in the front here, and I may add some other things. So here I have a pocket added. Oh, there we go. Pocket added to the front, and you have a pocket here, and then we have a beautiful lace pocket here. This is a birthday card. Got a paper clip here because there is a flip on this page, a flip out. Okay, so we have a paper clip holding that, and it would be normally over here, but we needed a paper clip, so I took it out of the pile from here. And then I also added a note paper right here. Here you have another paper clip, and you have a fabric flip. Pretty little rose up here, and one of the antique ribbon closures. You have a pocket with beautiful background here, and sticker has been added. This is a charger plate embossed on avocado dyed paper. You have a flip up postcard page here from Loretta. Beautiful green page with sticker and digital. So used several rose digitals throughout. Got a beautiful sticker here. You do have a pocket right here. Let's grab, oh, I've got a clock. Got a pocket here. And lots of places to write in here. You've got this flippy dippy added here. And you do have a flip up page there. This is a pocket, a large pocket. And in the center, you have 2 pockets, plus you have this little pocket here. You have Loretta on a pocket, large pocket. Okay, another sticker on the avocado dyed page. You have a flip out, so you have extra area to write. And this is a belly band, and I've added one of the hearts right there. The other side of your postcard, and you have a pocket, little lace pocket, and you have a little pocket here. The other side of the charger plate, beautiful sticker, flip up pocket. You have a flip up note here, and this is a tip-in that's been added. The other side of the birthday card. You have another belly band here. And a belly band here. Okay. And a large pocket in the back. So this is ready for all the fun things to be added to it. And I think she's beautiful, and she's very flat. So she lots and lots of room. Lots of room there. And you've got your lace closure, and that will you know, as your journal grows, it'll still grow with it. We have a large tag, and then there's a few different ones of these. In here, we've got a couple of these. I think these are from Laura's Roses. We've got a postcard with this, and it is set up to be a pocket. It's ready to be a pocket. You have a note paper, and you've got a pocket on the back. You have the rose, and it is on a flinch card. You also have it on a receipt, and then you've got a guest check with one of the pretty stickers. This has your in and out. This is a coffee filter pocket, and you have 2 cards in here. So this, you have this card, and you have this card. Here's another one of those little cards, and it's got a little pocket on the back. You've got a matchbook flip up. This is from Soap. So pretty. And this is a matchbook, also scrappy note. You might recognize some of these from some Friday freebies that we've done. You have a little card. So this set is right here, was from a Friday freebie. You can go ahead and open that up. You have another postcard, and this gives you something that you can use to pull it out. So you do have a tag topper. You've got this one, the best memories start with you. And so there. You have one of the ovals from the Loretta ephemera kit. And this was one of the doodle pages. And a large tag there. Okay. So all of these are ready to go into the journal. And I think kind of fun to have so many things ready. I'm putting the ones that are kind of the same size all together. It makes a prettier package when I package it. So these are ready. I will be able to send them out today. Excited. So yeah, so this is actually going out with the sunflower journal. And so yeah, there we go. So Loretta Patreon journal ready to go and on its way. So thank you guys so much for being here. And if you'd like more information about Pearl Patreon, where you get an actual journal and embellishment pack each month, and then the 3rd month you get it, I've put it all together, like the sunflower journal was all put together. So it's kind of a reward for hanging in there for 3 months. The 3rd month you get a completed journal. Okay? You guys, thank you all so much for being here. Have an amazing day. I just saw something else I'm going to put in here because it'll match. It'll match wonderfully. I have this little green doily. I'm going to put that in with the stickers. And so, and there will probably be another thing or two as well. But there you go. Okay. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.